We are sitting by the fire today. My old favorite spot where me and my parents used to come. And it's nice and cozy right here. Let's see if we can get it right inside. Cozy, cozy, and there's Hannah. Yeah! And there's me.
You're funny. You're right, Chair?
Yes.